What's up, guys? Dante here from Shitty Proof Customs. Sorry we've been out of pocket on YouTube for a little while. Been a lot of crazy projects we've been taking care of. We've been super busy, so we haven't been able to vlog lately. But we're starting this year off with a bang. This is a 1984 Mercedes-Benz 190E Callaway. One of one, very rare car, so we're very excited about this project. So this project comes to us from Eurowise of Charlotte, North Carolina, and the owner of the car is Tons of Gas. Both of those, you can follow both those guys on Instagram. We'll put the link in the description as well. But yeah, we are going to go through this car. They're actually getting upholstery done on most of the car as of right now. They're getting some original BBSs. They're getting that refurbished, and we're going to take care of the body. It's going to be complete doors off, trim off, glass out, restoration. So we're pretty excited about this project. We're going to do a six-coat process of clear on this car. We're going to paint three coats of clear, and then we're going to send that down 1,000, and then we're going to shoot 3 more coats of clear. So it's going to be showroom floor quality. Really excited about this project, and figure we open up New Year's with something big. Stay tuned, guys.